Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set custom watch faces on your Mi Band and then Notify for Xiaomi app. To use custom watch faces, simply go into your Notify for Xiaomi app, go to Device, and in here you will see watch faces. In here you can look through all the different watch faces, choose the one you like, and simply just tap on it and tap install, which will try to install it, which may fail. For example, if your watch disconnects, which can sometimes happen, of course, and try connecting it again. And try going here again, pick the one you like, and tap on install again. This will then start installing the watch face. You can hope, yes, it's going to update it, and then as you can see, it is now going to be right on your Mi Band. You can then of course change it on your Mi Band itself, go to settings, band displays, and just look through all of your installed watch faces. Then pick the one you like among them, if this one didn't end up being your favorite, or if you want a change of the looks. There are options for making your own watch faces, but they are not really easy to do, or they are, but you would need a special to use some special tools possibly. You can look at the watch faces you have installed and try deleting them, but as you can see, they aren't quite described in understandable terms most of the time. But you can look at them, at which ones they are, by looking in your Mi Band, of course. Go to your settings, band displays, and compare which position of the list they are on, and simply delete them if you don't like it, and it's going to delete it from your installed watch faces. Another thing you could possibly do is, of course, try... Okay, never mind, that is all. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.